They grow exponentially. And for the people here in the room who are really good at maths, and so growing your business, there's lots and lots of different ways to grow it, but today I just want to talk about probably two of my most favourite things and what I'm most passionate about in growing businesses. And that is one, receiving referrals, and two, actually getting my goals. So I thought I'd talk about how we can actually use warmed up referrals to get the goals that we want, whether they're small goals or big goals. And I don't know whether you've heard the story of Tom and Ron. No. Thank you. Well, Tom and Ron, they're both business owners, and they actually deal in diamonds. I like diamonds. They deal in diamonds. Diamond merchants. And they both are setting up their own business. And Tom, he decides that he actually wants to do a lot of advertising, do a huge amount of digital marketing, paid advertising, online and offline. And he gets an absolute avalanche of people coming through his doors. And he's like, yes, I've sorted it. Great, this is fantastic. I throw the money in this direction, and then my customers come and I sell them the diamonds, and off they go very, very happy. Let's just put Tom on that side just for the time being, because he's doing really, really well. And let's talk about Ron. Ron doesn't spend anything on digital marketing. He doesn't actually even advertise. And Tom's going, he's not going to do anything, is he? But what Ron has actually done is just talk to a few people and tell them, I'm opening a diamond shop. And my diamond shop is going to be, and he explains exactly what the diamond shop is going to be like. He talks about the customer experience, and he talks about where he gets his diamonds from, the quality of the diamonds, the type of people that he's looking for. And the very next day, he gets his first customer. And he talks to that person about the experience. And that person is so delighted, they actually go off and tell another one person about Ron. The next person comes along, has exactly the same experience, and buys another diamond. He goes away and tells another person. And gradually, this group of people that are dealing with Ron grow and grow and grow and grow. They grow exponentially. And for the people here in the room who are really good at maths, and accountants and IFAs, come on, you can do the exponential maths there, can't you? One person comes in, they refer out and they refer out and they refer out. It's not very, very long before you've got an absolutely chock-a-block business. But also, Ron has talked to the local business owners who he really, really resonates with. And he starts to receive referrals from those people as well. Ron's business absolutely surpasses Tom's. But then Ron actually wants to take his business to the next level to get his goals. So he then starts to talk about this amazing diamond that only he has access to. It's really, really high-end, high-class, very, very expensive. So he elevates the type of clients who can actually afford that diamond, and he gets those people coming. So very, very quickly, Ron actually achieves all of his goals. He becomes the go-to person, the expert in diamonds in the country. And Tom, he said it didn't work because the money that he was paying out constantly actually didn't cover all of his costs. Yet if Tom had actually adopted Ron's philosophy as well, he would have had a brilliant business using referral marketing and also a systemised referral process. So if you want more and more referrals and you want to get your goals, just think about the environment that you're creating and how you can actually generate more referrals from word of mouth.